Plums are loaded with minerals and is a great source of potassium. It is also rich in antioxidants, protecting the body against cell damage, free radicals. They also supply dietary fiber and offer very low calories without any harmful fats. Now we will discuss about top 12 health benefits of plums. Plums delay signs of aging. Eating green plums is said to make the skin look younger, perhaps due to the vitamin C they contain, which has the potential to cut down the independence of age spots and wrinkles. The iron, zinc, vitamin E, lutein, and folate contained in the plums also help ensure that your skin is nourished and invigorated. Plums promote bone health. Purines intake is associated with reduced risk of osteoporosis. Plum is considered the most effective fruit for preventing and reversing bone loss. Dried plums also increases the bone mass density. Another reason plum might be good for the bones in their vitamin K content. The nutrient helps remove the calcium balance in the body, thereby boosting the bone health. Plums protect your heart. One medium-sized fresh plums contains 113 mg of potassium, a mineral that helps manage high blood pressure and reduce stroke risk. If that isn't heartwarming enough, the reddish-blue pigment in some plums called the anthocyanins may protect against cancer by mopping up harmful free radicals. This protective effect aids in the prevention of the various cardiac disorders, including the osteoporosis, heart attack, and stroke. Plums good for your skin. Consuming plums firm your skin and clears your skin texture. The fruit reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin. Drink plum juice for younger looking skin. Plum prevent anemia. Due to their high iron content, consuming green plums will help iron level in your blood stable. As a consequence, the body is less likely to suffer from iron deficiency or develop anemia. Plums treat hair fall and promotes hair growth. Plums stop hair fall by reversing the adrenal gland fatigue. It also promotes hair growth as it has high content of iron and it improves blood circulation. Eat plums if you want to have thicker and stronger hair. Plums control diabetes. Plums expert anti-hyperglycemic effects and help in the combating diabetes. Plum extracts aids by reducing the blood sugar and triglyceride levels in your body. The flavonoids present in plums exert the protective effects against insulin resistance and help to enhance the insulin sensitivity in the body. Plums maintain healthy nervous system. A plum contains vitamin B6, which helps in transmission of nervous signals and aids in the smooth functioning of the nervous system. They also help in the growth of the brain and assist in the formation of the mood-influencing hormones. Tryptophan, an amino acid present in them, helps in the production of the neurotransmitter serotonin, which plays an important role in improving sleep, appetite, and concentration. Plums for weight loss. Consisting of 100 overweight and obese low-fiber consumers, test if included the purines as the integral part of the weight loss diet hampered or aided in controlling their weight over a period of 12 weeks. In the end, it was concluded that the consumption of dried plums is purine as part of the weight control diet can in fact fasten the process of weight loss. Plums useful in pregnancy. Plums products are beneficial during pregnancy due to the abundance of numerous vitamins and minerals. These beneficial components are vital for eyesight, development of the bones and tissues, and cellular health for the mother and the growing baby. The fiber content aids in preventing constipation and improves digestion. Including of plums as a great part of a balanced diet helps in fighting various infections and maintaining the overall health. However, one should be careful regarding the choice of commercially available plum juice as they might contain high amount of sugar. Plums prevent blood clotting. Plums and purines contain vitamin K, which helps in normal clotting of the blood and promotes bone health. Deficiency of vitamin K in the body can result in the excessive blood loss and over health concerns such as weak bone. Nutrition of plums. By weights, purines are higher in calories than plums. A 1 ounce or 28 gram serving of purines contains the following: 67 gram calories, 18 gram carbs, 2 gram fiber, 11 gram sugar, 4% vitamin A, 21% vitamin K, 3% vitamin B12, 3% vitamin B3, 3% vitamin B6, 6% potassium, 4% copper, 4% manganese, 3% magnesium, 2% phosphorus. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos.